Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rentec Direct, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Rentec Direct, start by visiting their official website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Once you've completed the form, submit it to create your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Rentec Direct. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Rentec Direct website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If you need help navigating, visit the support section of the website. Here, you can find tutorials and resources to assist you. For any specific queries, use the contact form to reach their customer support. Make sure to check their social media platforms for updates and tips. Stay informed by subscribing to their newsletter for the latest news. Once you're comfortable, start setting up your properties and tenants. Utilize the various tools offered to optimize your property management. Regularly visit the site to discover new features and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.